Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube. My name is Nur Muhammad from NMWatch, and you see that you've got an absolute huge box from FedEx arrived to me in just I think 2 or 3 days time from from a company that we shall see later, right? So let's get out my tiny unsharpened unboxing knife, which is this Victorinox multi-tool thing, and let's see how we should get into this package, right? So I don't really want to damage anything inside there, so let's just tear off the package. Okay, so oops, okay, yep, I really definitely need to sharpen this thing. Come on, man, seriously. All right, so let's just use the scissors then. Yep, there is a whole lot much more easier, right? So this is a watch, but with a twist, because I have to assemble the whole thing by myself, right? So of course with some help with some videos, online videos or something like that, but yeah, still the box is just way too big for me to show you guys. Okay, so we have this big huge black box here. We'll get into that later, I think. Oh, okay, I'm fine, the box is still fine. Okay, so we've got 1 and 2 black boxes here. So this is a smaller package which is mentioned here, DIY Watch Club, right? So I think I've ordered the Pro kit, that's why it comes with this huge box, right? So of course, being a watch dive fan, I ordered the watch assembly kit, which assembly kit, I think the model number is D02. We'll see about that. We'll see that later. So DIY Watch Club, what is this box? Oh man, so one big box and another small box inside here. This should be the, what is it, strap, right? So the strap that I've ordered extra to pair with this particular watch, right? So let's take it out of the frame here. Not that it's so let's see how if we can open this without damaging the content, right? So that is easy enough. So take it out of this big, oh my god, this is heavy. Right, so let's just turn the box around and let's adjust a bit the camera angle here. Right, so are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, boom. Ooh, yeah, that is the DIY Watch Club Pro kit. We have this outer sleeve, nothing inside there. Okay, all right, so let's see what is inside. So we have quite a nice button here for you to push. Let's see what is inside. Ooh, that is wow, this is nice, right? So I'm gonna have to adjust the angle of the camera a bit so you can see that we have a velvet cover with a sign DIY Watch Club there. Let's put it back. Let's put the camera back. So what do we have here? We have a loop, or the Japanese call it lupe. So 3 times. How do you use this? I have no idea, but yeah, we'll get into that in the full video. So we have this, yep, we have this push dust blowing thingy, right? Dust blowing thingy, and we have a case back removing tool with again design. So yeah, pretty nifty. So yep, I think that is quite easy to use. And then we have this, what is this? Yeah, now I know. So this one is for you to put your movement on, or after you've take out all the movement from the watch, you just put the thing on here. Inside this bit we have a, for yourself, for your friend, enjoy 10% off everything on shopdiy.com. Use the code welcome aboard on checkout, right? So DIY Watch Club Diver Series, welcome diverse. Oh, okay. So we find a clean, flat working surface with sufficient light. Prepare a device with internet access, and go to the website so you can begin the watch making journey in English and also in Chinese. And we have a welcome to the club. Inside the envelope, you will find everything you need to get your DIY journey started. And they have also their Instagram and Facebook page, I think, right? So okay, let's put it like that in, right? So we have a bunch of tools here. We have some screwdriver. Oh no, this is the, I think this is the what is this, the hand holder, right? I think maybe this is supposed to push the hands in. We have color coded here. So we have, oh okay, so we have this in blue and red. I have no idea. We will of course confirm when I see the whole video thingy. And we have this I think 1mm screwdriver, flat, nice build quality. What this is a maybe spring bar removing tool. And this again is another spring bar removal tool. That is really nice. Okay. And we have this knifey thing so that I can remove the bezel of a watch from a watch. And we have these tweezers, right? So, and we have a bamboo stick. For what purpose, I have no idea at this point of time. Yep. Okay, so let's take out inside this box thing what is available inside. So we've got ourselves a wow, Burjon what is this, hand removing tool, right? So looks like a guitar pick. And we have a few yeah, this is very, very important for you to remove all the dust that you might stick on the dial and stuff. And we have some finger condoms, right? I have no idea what, yeah, us watchmakers, us watch geeks really like to put names to things, right? So it might not be finger condom, it's just a finger cord, right? It's the official name is finger cord, guys, not finger condom, right? So let's check out what is inside here, right? Oh, we've got the, wow, that is nice. This is an FKM rubber, I think, so quite nice and soft and supple with this D for DIY Watch Club. This comes in 22mm in width. I think this is an FKM rubber, but yeah, still, I don't think you could, the links will stuck on this particular strap. And let's get into the watch case itself. Okay, I've ordered the black Fume dial version, so let's just check out. Okay. So this is the bezel insert. It comes on the on this I don't think this is ceramic. I think this is a stainless steel bezel insert with a loomed printed bezel, ceramic bezel, stainless steel bezel insert. And we have the case, which looks really nice. I should take off that double-sided tape here and put it on this bezel, right? So I've ordered the version with a top hat sapphire crystal bar. Check that out, guys, check that out. Very, very nice done there. And we have okay, so that's quite nice knurling here to help with the grip. That is nice. So the sign logo crown there. You can of course unwind the crown, unscrew the crown, and the case itself is brushed on top, polishing on the bevel here, and quite a nice curve to that case, right? Wow, that is really, really nice. And we have this quite a tall case back. I think overall it would be about 14mm in height. So yeah, it's going to be exciting. I am not a watchmaker, so I have no idea how to put this thing together yet, but we shall see. I need to take some time to assemble all this thing. And we have the NH35 movement SII products, so definitely NH35 movement. Yeah, this is the first time I've ever handled an NH35 a naked or unassembled NH35 on my hands. Yep, so that's of course first time for everything, right? So, and what do we have inside here? We have I think we should have the hands inside here, right? So or else how the heck am I going to assemble everything? Yep, we have the hour hands, minute hands, and second hands for the first set. I think they give you 2 sets of this thing so that you won't screw up and screw up. Yep. Okay, so that's the first set. We have the dial, right? So the dial. Let's see the dial, how it looks. Right. So wow, this is really tiny, really thin. Yeah, we have the DIY Watch Club Fume dial nicely tucked in there. I'm not gonna put any dust on the dial yet. Right, so let's take off this part and see what is available inside this bit again. Nope, nothing more. Okay, so we have these. Yeah, I think we still have something else inside here, guys. I'm so sorry. So that is one part, and we need to take off. Oh, okay. So we have another. I don't think we could take this one off. Or we could. Yep. Okay. Yep. We have another. What the hell is this? Oh, another screwdrivers, and I have no idea what this is. And we have a few, yep, spring bar pusher tools here with what the, oh yeah, now I know. This one is for you to put the this loop, right? This loop, maybe like so or like so. I have no idea. This is interesting. And we have a bracelet resizing tool, which I'm not going to be using because I've got the non-bracelet version, right? So let's see, what do we have still inside the box? Nope, nothing else. I don't think we can remove this thing. Maybe if I remove it, it will break. I have no idea. Oh no, yeah, I don't think so because we have this compartment here. So it's actually a fixed compartment, right? So there you have it, guys. Tons of stuff for me to enjoy making my first ever watch assembly, right? So nicely boxed. Wow, I think the whole package costs about $440 US. I'm not really sure, but of course I will leave a link down below so that you can adjust, you can get one for yourself. But you know, thank you very much, Emily from DIY Watch Clubs, for sending me this stuff. And yeah, and I think I'm gonna get quite some time to think about when I'm going to be assembling this watch, but of course I will do a full recording of the assembly process then. Right, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.